Carrot and asparagus with pistachio butter. Start by preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Then line a large baking tray with baking paper. Place the pistachios in a food processor and process until chopped. Transfer half the pistachios into a bowl. Add the butter and stir until well combined. Spoon the butter mixture along the centre of a piece of baking paper, then shape into a log. Roll up and twist the ends of the baking paper to secure. Pop in the fridge to chill for 30 minutes or until firm. Next, place the carrots on the lined trays and drizzle with oil and sprinkle with cumin and sea salt flakes. Pop in the oven and roast for 10 minutes. Add the asparagus to the tray and then roast for a further 5 minutes or until tender. To serve, cut the pistachio butter into 1 centimetre thick slices. Transfer the vegetables to a serving platter and top with the pistachio butter. Sprinkle with thyme sprigs and the remaining pistachios. Serve up this mouth-watering veggie dish. It will complete any festive feast.